Welcome to day 4 of 10 days 10 yoga poses. Today we are going to talk about Titliasana or butterfly pose. Sitting in Dandasana, we are going to first turn our right leg out, which will create some space in your hip bone, which will help you to bend your leg and bring it close to the groin. For people with knee pain or tight hip flexors, you might not be able to bring your leg close to the groin, so you can think of keeping it little away from your groin. So whichever way you are comfortable and not putting lot pressure on your knees, you can modify the pose as per your own body. Now with the left leg also, we are going to turn it out, creating some space in the hip bone, and then bending it and bringing the heels of the feet together. Keeping our hands below our feet will help you to keep your back straight, chest out, and you can now start flapping your thighs. Make sure your chest is out and your back is straight. For some people, it will be difficult to bring your knees closer to the mat, which is completely fine because of your tight hip flexors or your thighs. So what you can do is that you can little bit modify this pose by keeping a cushion or a pillow or any yoga block below your knees. It will give you some height and also will give you some support in the knees, and you will be able to bring your knees slowly close to the mat. For people with ankle pain, they might think of keeping their ankles on a yoga block or a cushion or a blanket. This will help them to open their hips and would be able to bring their knees closer to the mat. Make sure your body is not going forward, but your back is straight and your chest is open. This will also help you to bring your hands closer to the feet. If you cannot reach your ankles, you can keep your hands on the top of the ankle or on your knees and give a very easy pressure on the knees to bring them closer to the mat. Do not unnecessarily put pressure on your knees. You have to do it very slowly at the beginning. Titliasana is an excellent hip opening pose, especially for beginners who have just started practicing yoga. This pose can be done anytime during the day or after a long working hours, and even in the early morning if you feel very stiff in your hips in the morning. Thank you.